seal by the feel. This customer can afford the custom gold ductwork, so we're gonna build on the old-fashioned sheet metal ductwork. First thing you wanna do is snap it together. Just like that. The way I like to seal my ductwork up with is with some good old-fashioned duct butter. Men would use brushes, but real men use their hands. I like to seal by the feel. Smooth. Somebody get me a piece of toast. I want to put some duct butter on it. This also insulates it. No air is going to get through here, and your duct won't even sweat. After you cover it all, you want to put your initial in there, just like artwork.